Good Friday evening, family. This is Neighbor Simple Me Journey, where I'm coming up here, give y'all a little update. This past Tuesday, I went to Houston. I had to do my eye surgery, so I had a cataract removed from my left eye. And later on this month, I hope we move on to the next one and getting that out of the way. Okay? But I'm doing well. It went great. And let me tell you, that same night when I kind of moved that little thing off my eye, I can really see crystal clear. Okay, but and we had to go back to the doctor next morning. Okay, family. So this is the evening. This is Friday evening. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna slow down. Friday evening. Look how pretty. Show y'all. Look at the little cabin. Look at my little baby, y'all. Loving her. Okay. Here we go. It's kind of, can you guys see a gate over there? Bridge? I don't know if I posted a video on my bridge. We did that 2 weeks ago at the most. Yeah, my brother and I and a friend put that bridge together. And it's some two big trees over there. Let me see. And what I'm going to do, those trees, those two big trees, let me see. Right there. Yeah, two of them. I'm going to put a seating area over there. And this is my homestead. Yeah, family, I believe at 63 years old, I'm out here. Oh my gosh, I'm out here working. So, my grass got cut today. The guy came through, he cut. I told him I couldn't do it because, just had eye surgery. I can't be getting on that machine bouncing around and carrying on like a crazy lady. Y'all know I do that. I enjoy doing my yard work. Yeah. So I have a little, oh wow. Family, this weather's really, look at this. Look at my leaves on here. Oh my gosh, something eating up my, look at my, this is my pecan tree. No, this is my pear. Yeah, this is my pear tree. It looks terrible. God, I don't know what's out here eating the plants. Okay. I come on here to show y'all my little project. Well, look at this one here. This is my lemon tree. Look what I got. And there's another one. Where's that other one? There goes the other one. I'm trying to hide. Okay, family. So this is the project I've been working on. Yep, patio on the cheek. So I have a 10 by 10 ready mix slab. 10 by 10. We use 20 bags of concrete ready mix, 20 bags with water. It's not totally perfect, but fam, it's outside. It'll do. It'll last for a very long time. And how do you guys like my furniture? Well, the white and blue, that's been right there by the porch, by my steps over here. I moved that. I want to put that over here. Now, I'm going to call this patio furniture on the cheap. Those black chairs, I got those from Walmart maybe 2 weeks ago at the most, or maybe just last week for $10 each. Okay? See this little black table? I was in Houston yesterday, stopped at a Lowe's. I had to pick up some stuff for another project I'm going to be working on soon. Beautiful. Look at that. It's $12.50. So can you beat the price of that? Probably not. $10 each. 12. What is that? $24.50 for a nice little patio set. $24.50. Now this set here, the white, I bought those last year at Lowe's. No, Home Depot last year, and the two chairs came in the box together. I don't think I paid but probably $40 to $45 for two chairs together. And for the table right there, I paid $20 for it, okay? Now you see these vases over here? I got those vases in Houston way before I moved. They was probably $7 because I'm real cheap about stuff. So I don't think I paid more than $7 for those blue and gray vases. And I kind of wanted blue for whatever reason. I kind of wanted them. This vase here couldn't have been no more than 10, I would say $12 at the most. On clearance. Got my stuff on clearance. And that has the three bases, the gray one here, gray black one, And those two blue ones, they have been in my storage for quite some time. Now, so I was seeing the receipts for the two chairs. I saved maybe $45 and 20 for the table, so that's $65 here, and another what, 20, 20 what, 20, 20 what, 12, 24, 22.50, yeah, 22.50. And so I'm gonna say, all in all, my whole patio furniture itself. Okay, that little pretty flower, I bought that yesterday in Houston for $10. Those things right there, I got those from Walmart last year. I'm sure I paid $2 to $3 for those. I had bought two, and I bought these two with the Sentinella candles. About two of those, probably about $3. But those stuff was on real clearance. They was on real clearance. So I say patio on the cheap. Yeah, it may not be all the same color, but guess what? It all looks good together anyway. So I would say I spent no more than $150 for all of this stuff here on my patio, because I was buying stuff way back when and putting it up so I can have it for my patio out here. Now my concrete slab at $5 a bag, 80-pound bag, $5 a bag, 80 pound. We did 20 bags. Yeah, this was 20 bags. So 20 at 5, I'm not sure what that is anyway, but I ain't couldn't calculate. You got to work about $200. I don't know, maybe somewhere around there. But that's not bad still. But the patio furniture is really what I'm talking about. We'll talk about the slab another time. But yeah, it's pretty though, family. It really looks good. I think it looks good. You know, patio furniture on the cheap. And we're gonna clean some more of this out. All this stuff is gonna be cleaned out. Right now I can't work because I have to be still for a while. So I can't really do pulling on sticks or anything, but it's gonna be cleaned out. So yeah, Simply Me Journey, patio on the cheap, patio on the cheap. And that little blue bucket down there, that was just given to me. It's an old bucket. I like the colors, real pretty. I like the color, got no details on it. But yeah, family, with a homestead. Yeah. Y'all, I'm managing pretty good. You know, I still got several projects. We'll discuss them later. But this was a project that I did not discuss with many people at all. Or I didn't even discuss it on my channel, I don't think. So yeah, family, what you guys think? Patio furniture on the cheap, patio on the cheap. Yeah, and y'all see that little yellow bicycle thing? Yeah, I've been having that thing for so many years. It is not funny. I mean, like years. I don't remember what store I got it from. Probably like a Kirkland's or something like that. That thing, I've been having that for a long time. And this thing probably color several different colors, I'm sure. And I know that yellow is something that I painted myself. But yeah, family, just wanted to show you my little here. And I also have another gift that I haven't shown you all at all, and I haven't discussed it. And it's to go out here as well. It's another piece of kind of patio furniture, so to speak. You can take this thing with you anywhere. So I haven't said anything about that. Maybe I may bring it out, but it was a gift. I've been having it since my birthday. Maybe about a week after my birthday at the most. So what you guys think about my patio on the cheap? Yes. Patio on the cheap. Patio furniture on the cheap. These items and things. The colors are pretty. And these chairs are really nice. They were like $10 regular about. I think they regular about $35 or something like that at Walmart. Only Jenny day was on clearance, so I said, well, I might as well jump on them because I'm gonna have a patio furniture, patio set done. I knew I was gonna have this little country slab thing done, so I went ahead and just purchased it. And I think it's okay. It's okay. How many people have furniture mixed up like this? Not many, but that's okay. Patio furniture on the cheap. Yeah, family, I love it. It's gonna serve its purpose. I'm coming to y'all to see. I'm going to tell my brother to have that tree right there. Get him to cut this down. Yeah. And then there's one in the back that needs to come down too, because the leaves, the branches are falling. Yeah, concrete stuff. We're going to get that out. But I'm not concerned about that right now. Oh guys, driveway project is coming soon. The driveway project is a little pricey, so I've been gathering my money for it. I'm going to have limestone put in from the road all the way here, all the way there. The little cars parked that, in that area that's going to have limestone. So I'm going to have a road, kind of like a wide road with limestone going up to my little car parking space area. And I'm saving my dollars for it. I'm really close to being able to pay for it. So, cause when they bring that limestone, honey, you got to have your cash on arrival. You didn't know you get the limestone, pay later, not like that. Not like that. How you guys like my skirting? What you think about the skirting? I'll need to discuss the price of that as well. This is an extra table I bought. I bought 2 of those tables. And it was like say $12.50, so why leave it? Because I was actually gonna go get 2 more of those chairs. 2 more chairs, the black chairs, but they didn't have any more. Had I gotten 2 more, I could have left the blue and white chairs over here and put the black over there on the patio, but they didn't have any more. So okay, I'm not going to go into the garden. I'm not going to go into the garden. I just wanted to show y'all my patio furniture on the cheap. And just let y'all see what the yard looked like just for a second. How about that? Garden time is winding up. I don't think I'm going to do fall garden because this was a learning curve for me. I just don't feel like doing it right now. I have projects here. That pole has to be put up, and I have a light that goes on that pole, and I have this here shed has to go up. That's for the water wheel. I have this shed over here on the ground, the black torque. That's a 9x11 shed that has to go up. So those are projects that I will be getting done as soon as possible. Like I said, I'm trying to do so many things at one time. And I'm trying to, get them done. And yeah, it's costing me. And trying not to stress over just, saving the money as I go. So I did really well. Y'all, this month I've been babysitting. And one whole day I babysitted. And I got $280. So that money's going to the rock fund. Yeah, that's the limestone money. And I had other little money that came in that I'm able to use towards my rocks. So I have put a nice little stash aside just for the rocks, my limestone. So this is August. Because I had to spend out so much money on my doctor's appointment, but I did have to pay quite a bit of money for my surgery. So that kind of like put me on a hold up, wait a minute, type of readjust a little bit. So yeah, family. Okay, this is Friday evening. Showing y'all my little place. I've been keeping it up pretty good. My little guest, he's my little nephew. I started back keeping him. He's with his brother this weekend, so I started back keeping him yesterday. He's in school now, and so he's in school. I got the fan on, and family. Okay. Yeah. I wasn't going to discuss that on this video. I'm not going to discuss it. We're going to talk about that later. Okay, family, this is Nancy Simply Me Journey. Just want to give y'all an update. My eye surgery went well. Just want to show y'all my patio area that we just finished up this week. And that's about it. And family, you guys be blessed. Please hit the like and subscribe and share button. And I'll be talking to y'all later. And thank you guys for inquiring. Donna, thank you for checking on me. Appreciate it. Love you. Love you guys. Bye-bye. This is Lady Simply Me Journey. And it's about what? It's about your journey. Y'all be blessed.